Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will teach you following topic: how to find the best motorcycle accident lawyer and why we need to find a motorcycle accident lawyer. Following topics we are cover in this video: how to find the best motorcycle accident lawyer, and we are discuss how to find the best motorcycle accident lawyer. So guys, now we elaborate the first topic: how to find the best motorcycle accident lawyer. How to find the best motorcycle accident lawyer. Finding the best motorcycle accident lawyer to represent you is not a simple process. Anyone who is graduated from law school and has been admitted to the bar is allowed to appear in the court to represent victims. However, you should not choose just any lawyer to represent you. Instead, you should look at his or her experience, track record, and communication skills, and other factors. So, guys, you know very well, we just not hire any. We hire any of lawyer, but if we need if we want to win our so while finding best motorcycle accident lawyer, we should look following factors in the lawyer. First of all, we check experience practicing law. While we hiring a lawyer, we should check experience of his practicing. An attorney with years of experience is more likely to be familiar with the court's other attorneys and procedure that are involved in motorcycle accident claim. A newly minded attorney may be knowledgeable, but it is generally better for you to choose someone who has experience handling motorcycle accident claim and won't be learning on the job while representing you. Another factor we should know very well: we should we should look track record of our lawyer. Another important factor when you are searching for attorney is in his or her record. While an attorney's past case result are not guarantee of how your case will turn out, a record of success is an indicator of attorney's level of skill. Ask your prospective lawyer about his or her past case results. If he or she can provide you the references from former clients, you can also search. Another factor we should the third factor is when we hire a attorney, we can expect to work closely with him or for a month, even years, while your case is pending. So we choose a lawyer that we trust and like. Pay attention to how the attorney communicates with you during your consultation. Does he or she listen to you? Do you like him or a personal level? If you don't like your lawyer, you may have trouble getting in during our case. Another important factor while searching a best lawyer is location. You might see motorcycle accident lawyer commercials on television of attorney from the other parts of other states. Some of these attorneys are located from where you live, and while you are able to hire them. So when we hire the lawyer, so we hire that lawyer that is near to us, and we will easily communicate to them. Another important factor is focus on personal injury law. Choosing an attorney who focuses his or her practices on personal injury law is a good idea. Some attorneys have general practices law firms, which means that they might not have same level of familiarity with the tort laws as attorney who have practices exclusively on particular areas of personal injuries law. You can ask a prospective attorney question to find out what percentage of lawyers' practices is devoted to the personal claim. So guys, our first topic is cover in this video, that is how to find best motorcycle accident lawyer. So video is too long, so I will uploaded another video that should be titled to when to file a motorcycle accident claim. So if you guys learn anything from these videos, please like the video and share to your family and friends. Thank you for watching the video.